If you're getting ready to sell or rent your home, first impressions matter, and home staging is the secret to making any space look its best. You don't need a professional stager or a big budget. With a few smart tricks, you can make your home more inviting, spacious, and irresistible to buyers or tenants. Here are some quick home staging tips that work every time. Start with decluttering. Less is more when it comes to staging. Clear off countertops, shelves, and tables, leaving just a few stylish pieces for decoration. Pack away personal items like family photos, collectibles, or excess furniture to make rooms feel larger and more neutral. Think of it as pre-packing for your move and giving your home a clean, open look. Next, focus on deep cleaning. A spotless home feels well cared for. Scrub floors, wipe down baseboards, and polish fixtures until they shine. Don't forget often missed areas like windows, light switches, and vents. Clean windows let in more light, instantly making your home look brighter and more welcoming. Lighting is one of the simplest yet most powerful tools in staging. Open blinds and curtains to maximize natural light and replace dim bulbs with bright, warm LEDs. Add lamps to dark corners for an inviting glow. The goal is to make every room feel airy and comfortable. Now add some neutral color accents. If your walls are bold or dated, consider repainting in soft neutral tones like beige, light gray, or off-white. These colors appeal to more buyers and help them visualize their own furniture in the space. Add pops of color through pillows, throws, or artwork for a touch of personality. In the living room, arrange furniture to create conversation areas. Pull sofas and chairs away from walls and make sure there's a clear walkway through the space. Add a rug to define the area and bring warmth to the room. For the kitchen, clear off counters except for one or two decorative items, like a bowl of fruit or a small plant. Replace old cabinet hardware for a quick update and make sure appliances are spotless. In bathrooms, add fresh towels, a new shower curtain, and a few spa-like touches like candles or soap dispensers. In bedrooms, focus on creating a relaxing retreat. Make the bed with crisp, neutral linens, add a throw blanket, and keep nightstands simple, just a lamp and a small decorative item. Remove excess furniture to make the room feel spacious. Don't forget curb appeal. It's the first thing buyers see. Mow the lawn, trim bushes, and add potted plants by the front door. A fresh doormat and clean porch instantly make your home feel welcoming. A few pro tips. Avoid heavy scents. Use fresh air or a subtle diffuser instead. Keep pets and their items out of sight during showings, and stage every area with a purpose. If you have an awkward nook, turn it into a reading spot or mini office. Quick home staging doesn't have to be complicated. With thoughtful touches and attention to detail, you can transform your space into one that buyers and renters fall in love with, often leading to faster offers and higher prices.